Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host LC, and this is the Super Kids Art Club. Hey guys, it's LC here, and in today's video, we're going to be making our own magic paper towel art. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of the Super Kids Art Club. Okay guys, here's some of the supplies that you're going to need for today's project. Alright, let's get started. Let's grab our paper towel and fold it in half. Now I'm going to get my black permanent marker and start drawing. And we want the marker to go through the paper towel so it gives us a guideline for later. I decided to draw a unicorn, but you can draw anything that you want. I'm going to start with its eyes and draw these little eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to draw 2 dots for its nose. Let's draw the hair. I'm going to make a starting point right here and draw its hair from the starting point. So 1 and 2. Now I'm going to start on the bow. Here's one side of the bow and the other. And right above the bow, we're going to draw the ear. Here's the outside of the ear and the inner part of the ear. Okay, I've decided to add another layer of hair. Now let's draw the ear on the other side. And of course, you can't have a unicorn without the unicorn horn. So all I do is start from the top and work my way down. Awesome! Let's unfold our paper. Great! Look, there's the outline. Okay, let's grab our washable markers. We're going to use these to color in the outline. I'm going to use some orange, some blue, and green. Now I'm going to use the pink to color the bow. Let's put some of that on the unicorn's cheeks too. Let's color in those ears and the unicorn's horn. Great job! Now let's fold our napkin and grab the container where we're going to put our water in. Alright, here's mine and here's my water. Now all you gotta do is pour the water in the container. If you like this video, please like and drop a comment. Now let's grab our drawing and we're going to drop our drawing into the water. Whoa, look at all those colors! Okay, let's try one more. Let's grab our paper towel and fold it in half. And let's grab our permanent marker and start drawing. I decided to draw an outer space scene. So I'm going to start with the planet Earth, which is the planet that you're on right now. You know what else goes into space? A rocket ship! I'm going to draw the wings on both sides and the fire coming out of the bottom. Cool! Now let's draw a UFO. Nice! Now let's draw another planet, Saturn. Now this planet has rings all around it. Let's just draw a couple of circles to represent the stars. Did you know that stars are basically just big exploding balls of gas? Pretty awesome, right? Okay, now let's unfold our paper and start coloring. So let's grab our washable markers. I chose green to start with and start coloring green on the planet Earth. Now I use the red to color in the fire of the rocket. And a little bit of yellow, and use the yellow to color in the stars. Let's grab our blue and start coloring the ocean of our planet Earth. And put some blue on our rocket ship too. Alright, now let's finish coloring the rest. Great job, guys! Now let's fold our paper towel down and get our container ready so we can fill it up with water. So here's my cup of water and let's pour it into the container. Now the fun part. Let's grab our drawing and let's place it into the water. And there you go! It's your very own magic paper towel art! Alright guys, thanks for watching. And remember, if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos every week. See you later, Super Kids!